Hello, y'all. So today I'm going to do a poached egg versus a fried egg my way. My son-in-law had mentioned about a poached egg, so I thought, well, okay, I'll do both because I personally like fried egg. He likes poached egg. But I'm going to do them both in a skillet. Now, I know that's unconventional. Most people teach you to do a poached egg in a pot. I do it in a skillet. Because basically what poached is cooking in a liquid, usually water. So the steam is actually the hot water and the steam is what cooks the egg. So what I've done is I've put maybe a half inch of water in my skillet, um, and I'm letting it come to a boil. So when it gets good and boiling, which it's starting to spread across the pan now. Ooh, gotta take my glasses off because the steam is keeping me from seeing. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my eye off because my water's boiling. For the poached egg, I'm going to do what most people say do. And I'm going to put it in a little bowl. It's just it's easier to lower it in there, I guess. So I'm going to ease it in and I'm just going to drop my egg in. And I'm going to cover the egg. My pan, my top does not fit my pan good. So I need that steam trapped in there. So I just lowered it over inside, over the egg. So this will take 3 or 4 minutes, somewhere around there. And we'll come back and see what we got. Okay, so I have let that steam for 3, 4 minutes. Raise the lid, and as you can see, it's good and done. Now I'm going to very gently slide my spatula under it. It should pretty much float. I just want to get it to where my yellow is not, I want it firmly on my spatula. There we go. I just had to get it turned around. So I'm going to let it drain just a minute because it's still got water on it. So there you go. There's a poached egg. Good and firm white. But then if I cut it right here, it flows out beautifully. Okay, so next up is the way I fry an egg. A fried egg now. Now what I want is kind of a really done crispy edge and maybe the bottom. But I want the whites good and firm. I don't want to flip it because you run the risk of everything splattering, and usually your yellows don't real runny. So I'm letting my my pan get hot. I've got it on a medium, so because with this technique you do not want it too hot because you don't want grease to pop up on you. So what I've done, I've got about a tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use bacon grease or butter. Careful with butter because it'll burn real quick. Okay, so my grease looks like it might be hot enough, so we're going to try, yeah. You can hear it starting to sizzle. I don't want my eggs to run. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add me a little pepper. I know some people do that after it's done, but I like to go ahead and do that, and just a pinch of salt. Okay, you can hear it starting to cook, and it's starting to curl up on the edges now. So now, with it being on medium, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of water. And what's going to happen is that water is going to make a steam. I'm going to cover it. The water makes a steam, So that helps cook the egg whites while the grease is actually frying the egg on the bottom and the edges. And that you just have to wait a minute. I like a glass lid for that, but I didn't have one for this. So I'm going to peek on it. Almost there. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how easy this is. You could go ahead and cut your eye off and just let the steam finish steaming it. I've not got grease popped on me or anyway. The key to that is make sure it's not too hot. And like I said, make sure your butter doesn't burn. And it's done. So that probably didn't take 2 minutes. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, I could have, you want it to ease up under there. Get it off the eye. Now, what I've got here is my egg whites are done. My yellow is still runny. And the eggs are a little crispy and the bottom's a little crispy. Now, if I wanted it even more crispy, I would have just let it cook just another 30 seconds or so before I added my tablespoon of water. Other than that, there you go. That's the way I like my eggs. Let me know how you like yours. And thank you for watching.